Are you looking for a photo stick that will make your life easier? If so, you should check out the top 5 best by photo sticks on the market. These photo sticks are perfect for pro photographers and everyday people who want to take great photos without spending a lot of time or money. So make sure to watch the video. Please subscribe our channel right now. Let's get started. First of all, the ThePhotoStick Omni. The ThePhotoStick Omni is a small pen drive that does more than a regular pen drive. It's a backup USB device that keeps my photos, videos, and other files secure all automatically. All it needs me to do is plug it in and hit the backup button that prompts on screen. Although I'm a tech reviewer and savvy in the field, I've seen it to be overly simplified with an easy UI. If you're not tech savvy and need a straightforward solution to back up your memories, the ThePhotoStick Omni is the last resource you need. Pros of the ThePhotoStick Omni. The ThePhotoStick Omni has a few impressive features that can make one's life a lot more worry-free and simpler. Automated backup. Fast transfer protocol. Universal adapter system. Safety without compromise. No internet or monthly fees. Supports every format. Super easy to use and transport. Number 2. The ThePhotoStick Mobile. The ThePhotoStick Mobile is a compact storage device like a regular USB flash drive. It is designed to work with Android devices without any additional software requirements. When you connect the device with your Android smartphone, it can store and back up your photos and videos almost instantly without any limitation. That is a lot of space, right? You probably won't even take that many videos and photos. Perhaps the most amazing thing about the ThePhotoStick is that it does the organization, backing up and storage in just a few minutes. Plus, it is compatible with multiple operating systems, so you can use it on your iPhone, iPod Touch, iPod, or Android devices. Pros of the ThePhotoStick Mobile. Extremely easy to use. You can store up to 60,000 videos and photos. Doesn't require an internet connection. Organizes, backs up, and store videos and photos securely. Compatible with multiple devices. Does all the work in just a few minutes. Number 3. iDiskk PhotoStick. For both Android phones and personal computers, I found this PhotoStick to provide a solid suite of features while retaining suitable storage space for a decent price. The versatility provided by this stick's software and hardware options made up for the clunkiness of the iDiskk app. 128 GB is more than enough to accommodate for the stick's included software features as well as tons of videos, photos, audio files, and documents. I think the ability to manage my files directly from taking pictures with my phone goes a long way in making this device efficient for a large number of potential users. Pros of iDiskk PhotoStick. Sturdy construction. Company support for quick replacement in the event of an accident. Cons of iDiskk PhotoStick. iDiskk app is poorly designed compared to first-party applications. Much lower speed is experienced when the phone is at low battery. It's recommended you remove any phone case before using. Number 4. JDTDC PhotoStick. I found this model to be thoroughly average in terms of specs. The lack of encryption options bothers me as far as travel and personal photos are concerned. I don't think it will be a considerable issue for the average user, but it is worth noting. Pros of JDTDC PhotoStick. High transfer speeds regardless of device battery. The sturdy design is physically tough. Easy to manage folder hierarchy even without encryption options. Cons of JDTDC PhotoStick. Heavy focus on compatibility with Apple devices over other connections. Poor proprietary app rating for using this stick. It's recommended you remove any phone case before using. Number 5. ZMPWLQ iOS PhotoStick. The combination of slim design and durable material convinced me of this pricier model's ability to work well in travel scenarios. With appropriate speeds and compatibility for generally useful software, on-the-go usage is encouraged. Even if I forgot to upload files to a cloud service or other device, the higher storage size allows for multiple days of capacity when taking higher resolution photos or even videos. Pros of ZMPWLQ iOS PhotoStick. Convenient carrying chain. Easy setup and app instructions. Cons of ZMPWLQ iOS PhotoStick. Backups are easy to initiate and fast but can result in errors frequently. The proprietary application is very limited. Thanks you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Now you can pick your best PhotoStick from the description links. Please share this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for the upcoming new video notification. Thank you.